Look, as a doctor evaluating home-based patient care, I get asked this one question literally all the time. Which smartwatches are actually worth putting on your parents' wrists?
So you really have to ask yourself, are those budget smartwatches medically safe, or are they just kind of marketing fluff? We've got to cut right through the noise and get straight to the clinical utility here.
Let's strip away all that tech jargon for a second. When it comes to daily monitoring for the elderly, I honestly only care about three things: continuous heart rate, a reliable SpO2 reading, and REM sleep detection. Honestly, everything else is just noise.
Now, here is a massive hidden danger you probably didn't know about. Those standard green LED sensors, they absorb poorly and completely fail on darker Indian skin tones. It's wild. For truly clinically accurate readings, dual LED technology is absolutely mandatory, no exceptions.
And think about this, 40 degrees Celsius, that peak Indian summer heat, is actually a huge medical compliance issue. I mean, if a basic silicone strap causes sweat and rashes, what happens? Your parent takes the watch off, and boom, life-saving data is completely lost.
So here are my top prescriptions for you. The Noise ColorFit Pro 5 just nails that dual LED skin tone calibration, and it's on a budget. Meanwhile, the Garmin Vivo Smart 5, that's your absolute go-to for serious cardiac tracking and ultimate breathability.
To get the full medical analysis, and honestly, to grab today's absolute best prices on these, you've got to visit technews12.com right now. Seriously, head over and check it out. Because you really have to wonder, is your current home care tech actually doing its job, or is it just pretending?